Values of trigonometric ratios for the special angles. Recall that sine theta equals opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cos theta equals adjacent side over the hypotenuse, and tan theta equals the opposite side over the adjacent side. Apply these ratios. We get sine 0 degrees equals 0, cos 0 degrees equals 1, tan 0 degrees equals 0. Let us find the value of sine, cos, and tan for the 30-degree angle in this triangle. With respect to the 30 degrees angle, side PQ is the opposite side and measures 1 unit. Length of the adjacent side, OQ, is √3 units, and the hypotenuse, OP, measures 2 units. We can now calculate the trigonometric ratios as sine 30 degrees equals 1 over 2, cos 30 degrees equals √3 over 2, tan 30 degrees equals 1 over √3. Similarly, we can find the values of the trigonometric ratios sine, cosine, and tangent for 60 degrees in the same triangle. Here, the side opposite 60 degrees is side OQ, that is √3 units. Adjacent side PQ measures 1 unit, and hypotenuse OP is 2 units. So, sine 60 degrees equals √3 over 2. Cos 60 degrees equals 1 over 2. Tan 60 degrees equals √3 over 1 equals √3. Let us find the value of sine, cos, and tan for any of the 45-degree angles in this triangle. With respect to the angle QOR, side QR is the opposite side and measures 1 unit. Length of the adjacent side OR is 1 unit, and the hypotenuse OQ measures √2 units. We can now calculate the trigonometric ratios as sine 45 degrees equals 1 over √2, cos 45 degrees equals 1 over √2, and tan 45 degrees equals 1. Sine 90 degrees equals y over r equals 1 over 1, that is 1. Cos 90 degrees equals x over r equals 0 over 1, that is 0. Tan 90 degrees equals y over x equals 1 over 0, which is undefined.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.